In front of me is Nothing Phone 4a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Notifications over here. Now select App Notifications. Click on Most Recent and this way decide if you want to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your device, or apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use black switches next to your apps from which you want to block notifications, and gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can always tap on any app on the left. Not only manage notifications here to switch them off or turn them off, but also manage all of those notifications options for chosen apps. For example, Maps have a lot. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!